Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn 3 ways to convert Word to PDF. Let us begin. And first way, after you open your Word, navigate to File tab, Save As, select where you want to save your PDF file. Here you can change your file name. I will leave as it is. From Type, click on this little arrow, select PDF. Here you have options. Click on the options. This dialog box will open. Here you can change your page range. For example, you want to save from page 1 to page 2, 3, 5, as you wish. We are going to choose all. OK. And then save. As you can see here, the Word file is converted into PDF. Second way, again move to File tab, click on Export, create PDF, select where you want to save the file. Again, the Word file has been converted into PDF. Third way, go to I Love PDF website. It's fully free. Select Word file, select your file, and then open. Click on the Convert to PDF from the bottom right of the screen. Now the Word is converting, and then download it. As you can see here, the file is converted into PDF. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.